Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today we will continue the block reduction technique in control system. So the rule number 3 is when blocks are connected in parallel. When blocks are connected in parallel, we can add an adder in output side, so it will give the same output. So now the next rule is rule number 4, shifting of takeoff point before a block. When we shift a takeoff point means here is a input line where we can took a point, or it is known as pickup point, or maybe equipotential point or takeoff point. When we shift it, such as here is a pickup point, we want to shift it before this gain block here side, so we will give or multiply with a new gain box, so it will give the same output again. If we want to shift the takeoff point after a block, means there is a takeoff point, we want to shift it here, so we will divide by a 1 upon gs gain block, so it will give the same input or output what we want to choose. And then the rule number 6 is shifting of takeoff point before an adder. Here is a shifting point and we want to shift it before an adder, so the rule is said we can add or maybe connect an extra adder to sustain the same situation and gives the same output. The rule number 7 is shifting of takeoff point after an adder. When there is a shift takeoff point, we want to shift it after the adder. So we will connect an adder after the first adder, which is connected to the supply or maybe the connection of first adder with gain. So thank you guys. We will discuss next part tomorrow. Thank you guys.